Hello students, welcome to 11th Commerce Accountancy. Today we will see in the sorry in the previous video. First of all, in the previous video we have seen the rules about the debit and credit of any transaction: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Okay, these three accounts we have discussed in the previous video, and about the rules of also. Rules of personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Rules of real account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. That is the rule of real account, in which assets like intangible and tangible assets are there. And the last one, that is nominal account. In the nominal account, income and expenditure are there. Okay. And the rule is expenditure or loss are to be debited and incomes or gain are to be credited. Okay, so this is the rule for debit and credit for all accounts. Okay, and by following these accounts we are going to see that how to do entry of any transaction, and we will see what to debit, what to credit, and why. We will see the reason also of that debiting or crediting the transaction. Okay, which kind of accounts are involved in the transaction, all these things we will see in the question, and that's why I have drawn one table here that you can see. Okay, the first column is of transaction, that which kind of transaction are there I will mention here. Then after account involved, means in the transaction there will be two or more accounts will be involved, that I will mention here. Nature of account means, is it personal, is it nominal, is it real, that I will mention here. Okay, debit and credit. Okay, डेबिट कौन सा अकाउंट होने वाला है, क्रेडिट कौन सा अकाउंट होने वाला है, that I will mention here. And the reason why they are debiting, why they are crediting, all these things I'll mention here. Okay, so now we will start the question. Okay, first transaction is number one. Mohan starts business with rupees 5 lakh cash. Okay, Mohan starts business with rupees 5 lakh cash. Okay, so which accounts are involved? Whenever the transaction is about starting business, okay, then we have to keep in our mind that there are two accounts. One is cash account and the second is capital account. Okay, so cash account and capital account. Okay, now this cash account is an asset for us. Okay, so asset means it is real account. So nature of account real. Okay, and the capital is for personal account. I have explained you in the previous video that if there is capital account, it is personal. Okay, now the next, what to debit, what to credit. Cash account will be debited. Why it is debited, I will explain. Okay, here Mohan is bringing the cash in the business. Okay, Mohan starts with the cash amount of rupees 5 lakhs. So it means that the cash is coming in the business. So what comes in, debit, what goes out, credit. That is the rule of real account. Okay, so cash is coming here, that's why we will debit it. Okay, so the amount rupees 5 lakh we will write here 5 lakh. Okay, and the other will be credited. Okay, now we will write here the reason also. Okay, cash account, why we will debit, because comes in, so we will write here comes in. Okay, and here we will write what? It is credited in personal, credit the giver. Okay, so we will write here as a giver. Okay, so this is the entry of debit and credit of the first transaction. Now we will do the next. Okay, one by one we will do. Number 2, purchase goods for cash rupees for 1 lakh. Purchased goods for cash rupees 1 lakh. Okay, purchase and cash, two accounts are there. Okay, so I will write here purchase account and cash account. Okay, now purchase the goods means you are purchasing. Purchase means an expenditure. Okay, an expenditure is debited. Okay, so we will write here nominal account because purchase is nominal account. Okay, is it? And cash is real account. We will write here the amount also. In debit 1 lakh, in credit 1 lakh. Okay, now we will write the reason also. Nominal account means it is expenditure. Expenditure must be debited. So we will write here expenditure. Okay, and here we will write goes out. Cash is going out, so we will write here goes out. That's why we are crediting it. Okay, चलो next है sold goods for cash rupees 1,50,000. Sold goods for 1,50,000. ओके, 1,50,000 में सेल कर दिया हमने. कैश में सेल किया. ठीक है, कैश में सेल किया तो कैश आ रही है बिकॉज वी आर रिसीविंग कैश इन द सेल्स. ओके, सो कैश अकाउंट विल बी देयर एंड द अदर विल बी सेल्स. ओके, कैश अकाउंट that is real account. Okay, sales nominal. The amount is 1,50,000. So I'll write here 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Okay, cash is coming, so comes in, I will write here. Okay, and sales is an income for us. Income should be credited. Okay, so I will write here income. चलो next है received interest from Ram in cash. Received interest from Ram in cash and that is rupees 500. 500 रुपए का इंटरेस्ट रिसीव किया है. अभी देखो स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज होते हैं यहाँ पे. सर यहाँ पे कितने अकाउंट है? 3 अकाउंट है. इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट है, कैश अकाउंट भी है और राम भी है. ठीक है, बट आई वांट टू टेल यू that interest, which income you are receiving? Interest you are receiving, so one account will be interest. Okay, and second thing, you are receiving cash, so the other will be cash account. So Ram account will not be there. Okay, and you are receiving cash, so first of all cash account will be there and then after interest account will be there. Okay, cash is for real account and interest is for nominal account. Okay, the amount is 500 only, so I write here 500. Cash coming in, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे comes in and the interest is an income for us, so I will write here income. Okay, चलो next है number 5. Sold goods to Ashok for 60,000. Sold goods to Ashok. कितने का बेचा है? 60,000 रुपीज का. Now here the word cash is not there. If the word cash is not there and any name is given to you, Ashok is name, Ashok the name is given to you, so it means that it is credit transaction. ये credit transaction है. ठीक है, और अगर ये क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन है तो यहाँ पे अशोक भी आएगा और सेल्स भी आएगा. Now sales account is an income, so it will be credited and Ashok will be debited. Okay, so I will write here Ashok. Okay, and sales account. Okay, two accounts are there. Now Ashok is the person. Okay, so personal account. It is the personal account. Sales, that is nominal account. The amount is 60,000 rupees. Okay, so I will write here 60,000 rupees. अशोक इज द रिसीवर, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे रिसीवर. एंड सेल्स इज द इनकम, सो आई विल राइट हियर इनकम. ओके, नंबर 6, छठा ट्रांजेक्शन क्या है? परचेस फर्नीचर फॉर कैश. फर्नीचर परचेस्ड फॉर कैश एंड दैट इज ऑफ 50,000 रुपीज. कितने का है भाई? 50,000 रुपए का. ठीक है. सो टू अकाउंट्स आर देयर. वन इज फर्नीचर एंड वन इज कैश. लुक, whenever there is an asset, don't write the purchase account. You have to write only and only the asset account. Okay, आपको asset account का ही लगना है. So furniture account and cash account. Okay, furniture is an asset. Okay, and cash is also an asset. Sorry, real account, not asset but real account, because this is modern approach. ये नहीं है, ये तो English approach है, traditional approach है. ठीक है. चलो, amount is 50,000. Here also 50,000. Okay, and furniture, it is comes in, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे comes in and it is goes out. Cash is goes out. Okay. Paid wages rupees 20,000. The last one. Paid wages rupees 20,000. 20,000 wages पे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो दो अकाउंट है यहाँ पे. एक तो है वेजेस अकाउंट और पेड हो गया है, यानी कि कैश अकाउंट है. पेड और रिसीव्ड, अगर ऐसा वर्ड यहाँ पे दिया है, so it means there is cash. Okay, wages is an expenditure, so it will be nominal account, that is nominal account. Okay, and cash is real account, so I will write here real account. Okay, now the amount is 20,000 rupees. 20,000. Okay, wages you are paying, so it is expenditure, so I will write here expenditure. Okay, and cash is going out. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे goes out. So this is the format of the transaction in which we are debiting and credited as per the rule of personal account, nominal account and real account. Okay, all the things we have recorded as per the rules. Okay, so do practice more and more. This is one example. Other examples are given in your book. Just you follow the rules of this accounts and complete your questions. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye, see you.